Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're launching into the wildest adventure imaginable. What if you drove a space rocket, not as a passenger, not as a scientist, but as the one behind the controls, blasting through the atmosphere, defying gravity, and commanding millions of pounds of explosive power. From Earth to orbit, you'll be piloting one of humanity's most awe-inspiring inventions. Get ready for high-thrust facts loaded with astonishing facts, epic numbers, and insane scenarios that'll leave you starstruck. Rockets like the Saturn V used to launch astronauts to the moon are basically controlled explosions. The Saturn V carried over 2.9 million kilograms of fuel, generating a mind-blowing 7.6 million pounds of thrust at liftoff, more than 85 Boeing 747s combined. Reaching space takes just 8 to 10 minutes, but during that time, you'd experience up to 4 Gs of force, feeling 4 times your body weight. It's like an earthquake, roller coaster, and hurricane rolled into one. To enter orbit, you'd have to hit speeds of 28,000 kilometers per hour, or 17,500 miles per hour. That's fast enough to circle Earth in 90 minutes, or cover the distance from Delhi to New York in 12 minutes. Around 1 minute into flight, the rocket hits max Q, the point of maximum aerodynamic pressure. It's the most dangerous part of launch, where the rocket is literally trying to tear itself apart from the stress of air and speed. A Falcon 9 rocket burns about 3 tons of fuel per second. That's like a car running non-stop for 50 years. Every second. The entire fuel tank is emptied in under 3 minutes just to escape Earth's pull. Once in orbit, you'd be in microgravity, meaning everything floats, including you. Everyday tasks like drinking water or scratching your nose become slow-motion space ballet. Piloting in this condition is both mind-blowing and challenging. In space, you steer not by turning a wheel but by firing small thrusters called RCS, or Reaction Control System. Each tiny burst changes your angle or position with surgical precision, often measured in millidegrees. Docking a rocket with the International Space Station requires lining up perfectly, while both objects are traveling at orbital speed. The final approach is so delicate that actual contact is avoided. Soft latches and magnets do the job. A single launch of NASA's SLS rocket can cost over $4 billion, or 33,000 crore rupees. Driving it puts you in charge of a machine that costs more than a skyscraper, built by thousands of engineers and trusted with national pride. Only about 600 humans in history have ever seen Earth from space. The overview effect, a psychological shift when seeing the planet as a fragile blue ball, would hit you like an emotional meteor. There are over 2 million parts in a rocket, and one failure could lead to disaster. You'd be constantly monitoring temperatures, pressures, fuel levels, and orbit parameters, while knowing there's no room for error. Coming back to Earth means slamming into the atmosphere at 25,000 kilometers per hour, heating your spacecraft's surface to 1,700 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava. Only a ceramic heat shield and perfect angle keep you from burning up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insane what-if explorations that put you in the pilot seat of the most powerful machines, epic disasters, and impossible dreams ever imagined.